Hello adorables and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a product review from newcraftday. Now they sent me this image free of charge. I selected a springtime, summertime fairy, lots of green. That was the whole point. I went through every large canvas they had and I thought she had the most green. So I selected her, and she is one of over half a dozen other fairy images that are very similar. So the drills were good quality, nice quality, no problems with the drills. These are all the extras. I was never worried about running out of drills. That was all good. The stick on the canvas was great. The drill field was excellent. My problem is right here. There was a mistake in color charting, and someone chose an orange and a brown shade up in here, and I think that was a mistake. See, in here it's like greens and yellows, kind of. There's no orange. And look at her beautiful silky dress. And now we see over here it just looks like a potato sack. It looks like she's got dirty rags on. The orange, something went really wrong in that. Okay, but that can be overlooked if you're not referring to this image and you just get her like this. The only thing standing out is that orange is wrong. Everything else about this canvas was fantastic. Her wings turned out really great. And the little bird up there. You know, let's see here. It's a little weird bird. He didn't look right in the first place. He's just a weird thing, but I think he looks better here than in the image. Okay? So I blinged out her eyes. I put 2 different shades of brown in her eyes. And I think the colors, they blended well in her face. I think that's a good job of color blending for shading effect. I think that's all good. And if this could have, I don't know what to say about that. I really don't. It's the orange, take that orange out of there completely. Like, that would be something you'd have to do by eye. You just color it all one thing if you have to. Because look how bright and sharp that green is. Look at this. You know, just do the whole dress green. Don't even go for lighting effect. She would have been better if I just covered her whole thing just with that green. If that green would have been up in here anywhere. And then this is orange. So it's kind of a fail for me as comparing it to this and what I wanted for my wall as she turned out. Yeah. So newcraftday, I would suggest you get in contact with whoever does the color charting for the canvas. Like, I don't know if you buy from multiple companies or you make them yourself. I don't know what your process is with that, but you get in touch with who you need to and just tweak this orange up here mostly. I don't know what you could do with this. If it was just green, it would be better. Because you can see there's a lot of different color shades in there, you know, but it looks like a silky dress, but this just looks like a burlap. I don't know. So, all in all, for the quality of the canvas, excellent drill field, excellent drills, excellent stick. Everything was great, except when I hit that orange, I felt disappointed. And I know they don't want their customers to be disappointed. They want them to come back. So they value our opinions greatly. And so, you know, if I'd have caught that sooner, if I caught that when I was down in here or in the dress, I could have changed. This is what's catching me right here. You know, it's that area. I know it's in her hair there and it's right here, but really this is the main part that's bothering me because it's just a slew of orange. So it's kind of a fail with, I'd say 2, maybe 3 of the colors that were chosen to create the lighting effect. I didn't see it coming on. I'm not going to pick them off of there. I'm not doing it. So it is what it is. This is how she is. And I'm sure if I gave this to a little girl that didn't have this reference of all the green in here, she would love it. She would think it was awesome on her wall. Okay, but the reason I selected this canvas was for the green and the yellows, and I felt a bit disappointed. So as a diamond painter, you know, well, I know returns for some companies, I'm not sure. Okay, another thing, New Craft Day, it's difficult for me to find out how to return a canvas, to tell my viewers how they could return a product if they were not satisfied with it. I couldn't find that, but I found a lot of other information, and I found a contact us thing, so you could contact the company via email, but I hope New Craft Day would make that a little bit easier for people to find in case they would want to do a return. So this one was sent to me free of charge for the review, so I wouldn't be doing a return, but I went through the process. If I did pay for this $13.09 and I want to return this, what would that be like? So I tried to find that out for you, and I couldn't get anywhere except to a button that says contact us. Okay, so save your mailers, whatever your canvases come in from any company. Always save that until you know you're not going to have any issues with it. Because I do believe that when you return a canvases, you have to return them as is, unworked. You put any drills down, it's done, it's over, you know. And I had already started working on her. I did the dark first. By the time I came to the orange, I was just trusting the process. But my gut was telling me it was wrong. So there is that. I didn't listen to myself when I felt it was wrong, and I did it anyway. So hopefully New Craft Day will talk to whoever does the color charting for them, and they can have this issue addressed and changed. And I would love to work on her again. And I've never said that about any other canvas. There's no other canvas I would want to work twice. I would, however, work this one twice because I want her on my wall. I want her green and some whites and some yellows, some browns, and get her up on the wall. The orange just isn't cutting it for me. So, I mean, they have to hear this, because if not, then they won't change anything. They'll think everything is fine, and customers will be unsatisfied, you know? So, let's notify the right department to make such changes in the canvas, and hopefully things get tweaked to make it look more like the original image that I selected. Okay, so that is, what's the title? Girl Full Round Diamond Painting 40 by 60. $13.09. There she is. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Peace out, and God bless.